Think you know everything about Google Maps? Think again. In this video, we're revealing 18 mind-blowing Google Maps tricks that will change how you travel, explore, and save time. Whether you're driving, walking, or simply planning your next adventure, these tips will make you a Google Maps pro. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Zoom in and out with one finger. Let's kick things off with a zoom trick you might not know. To zoom in and out with one finger, just double tap on the screen, then slide your finger up to zoom out or down to zoom in. Perfect when you're navigating with one hand. Tip 2. Save your parking location. Ever forget where you parked? No problem. Tap the blue location dot on your map, then select Save Your Parking. Next time, just check Maps to see exactly where your car is. Tip 3. See your travel history. Want to see all the places you've visited? Turn on location history in settings and check out your timeline. It's like a personal travel diary right in Google Maps. Tip 4. Time travel with Street View. Here's a cool one. Google Maps lets you time travel. In Street View, tap the yellow person icon, drag it onto a blue street, and if available, see past images of that location. Perfect for seeing how places have changed. Tip 5. Voice commands. Got your hands full? Use Google Maps hands-free by tapping the microphone icon, or simply saying, "Okay Google," followed by your command. Say things like navigate home or find the nearest gas station, and Maps will do the rest. Tip 6. Change your vehicle icon. Here's a fun one. Change the default arrow icon to something unique, like a car or SUV. Just tap the arrow icon and choose the vehicle you like best. Tip 7. Create custom labels. Save yourself time by adding custom labels for places you frequently visit. Just tap on the location, select label, and name it something easy to remember. Now, you'll find your favorite spots faster. Tip 8. Download offline maps. Going off the grid? Download maps for offline use. Select the area you want, tap download, and you're set to navigate even without internet. Tip 9. Measure distance and area. Planning a hike or bike ride? Right-click on a location and select Measure Distance to see the distance between points. Great for planning routes accurately. Tip 10. Share your real-time location. Let friends and family know where you are in real time. Tap your blue location dot, select Share Location, and choose who to share it with. It's perfect for meetups or safety while traveling. Rapid fire tips. Here are some rapid fire tips you're going to love. 11. Configure route options. Avoid highways, ferries, and tolls. Customize these in settings for a more flexible trip. 12. View inside buildings. Zoom in on buildings like airports or malls to see interiors and find your way around. 13. Add multiple stops. Planning a road trip? Click the ellipsis to add multiple stops along your route. 14. Set departure reminders. Never be late. Set reminders in Google Maps to leave at a specific time for your destination. 15. Modify your route. Drag and drop points on your route to customize your path. 16. Navigate public transportation. Switch to the public transit icon to explore bus and train routes with ease. Tip 17. View traffic at different times. Planning your drive? Check past and future traffic trends by changing the traffic layer. You can adjust for heavy traffic times to make your drive smoother. Tip 18. Explore Area 51 in Street View. Ready for a fun Easter egg? Zoom into Area 51 in Street View to see if Google has captured anything strange. Who knows what you might find? And there you have it. 18 awesome Google Maps tricks to make your navigation smarter, faster, and more fun. Which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more tips that make your tech life easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.